Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to a really exciting new option for the multi-lift system called the Multi-Lift Hitch Mounted Adapter. So you can see around here, we've got the hitch mounted adapter with outriggers. This is all stowable and foldable and fully removable. Here we're showing you a heavy-duty multi-lift. This one is designed for up to 350 and some can go up even greater weights. But this lift right here is very stable, mounted here. And the good thing is, when you don't know what boat you're going to be using, the standard, of course, is the trailer mount, trailer mounted mount that comes up on the side here. But that may not be practical. You may not know what trailer you're going to use. You may not know what boat you're going to use, and you want some flexibility, and you've got a truck anyway because you hauled the boat here. So this gives you the option of putting a person in almost any boat. Of course, you'd have to check every configuration with us. So we're going to lift the person right here, put them into different seats. By moving the boat, we can actually change the location where the person's going to go. So right now I'm going to put a person in this seat right here, okay? And I may show you that area, but if we flip the boat around or we back the boat up a little bit, then we can go into this seat or even the driver's seat if necessary, depending on the style of the boat. So we're all the way down here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to hook up those leg tabs. Once we've got the leg tabs hooked up, we're going to move this right over here. Hook up the arm tabs and lift. Now, if the boat's small enough, of course, you can maybe do this from outside. Once I get all the way up, I'm going to lift the feet over the side. So this particular system right here is good to up to 350 pounds. We can do higher. Standard is 275 pounds. You've got a little Velcro attachment right here. So now I've got the user in the boat. You'll notice here that we've got these motion limiters. These are extremely important. These are noted that they have to be in place when you're using this for somebody over 275 pounds. Okay, you must use it with the extensions, even if you have other extensions from other part of the multi-lift system. Always want to make sure that you have these particular extensions that we supply. So everything is completely removable. We can put this in the back of the truck here, pop these off. The lift comes right off. We're going to have to pull off the safety pins, of course. Each of these safety pins just comes right off here. They're cotter pins. Take this right off. Lift comes right off, no problem. These also removed. And here's the cool part to give you sort of an orientation to the system itself, the mounting system rather. So we can actually just take these, release pressure there, pull that pin out. Okay. Same thing over here. We got a safety pin, cotter pin on the back. We pull that out, move these up and down a little bit to release. This whole mast comes right out. Lift. Get it in the appropriate position. Again, we always want to put those safety pins in because imagine if you're driving down the highway and you forgot to put the safety pin in and that goes down, you're going to have a very messed up multi-lift hitch mounted system. Okay, now if you want to take the entire thing out because you want to access your tailgate, pull the unit right out, lifts out quite easily, goes in a standard class 3 hitch. So that's your introduction to the multi-lift hitch mounted system for accessing marine applications. If you'd like to learn more about the product, you'll definitely want to check out the notes field down below. We've got lots and lots of information on different aspects of the product, and even a link to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/accessun, where you can discover over 4,000 videos showing you tons and tons of different solutions to make you mobile in the way that you want. So if you want to ride in a boat, we feel you deserve it. If you want to get into a swimming pool, we are going to try our best to make that happen for you, hopefully with the same system. If you'd like to know any more information, check out our social media at facebook.com/accessun, youtube.com/accessun. We're on Instagram at accessunlimited. We're on Twitter at accessunlimited, or now it's called X. If you'd like to check out Pinterest, we're on Pinterest at accessunlimited, one word. And of course, if you want to give us a call the old-fashioned way, that'd be great. Country code 1-607-669-4822 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Evenings and weekends are no problem at country code 1-615-873-0518. We hope you like what you've seen. Thank you so much. We look forward to your questions, and hopefully we can serve your needs. Have a great day.